Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a stunning Lamborghini Aventador car using simple cardboard. It's an easy guide, perfect for anyone who loves crafting and cars. We'll cover everything from gathering your materials to adding those final, realistic touches. Get ready to transform ordinary cardboard into an extraordinary supercar replica. Let's get started on this exciting project together. First, let's build the strong foundation for your cardboard supercar. Carefully cut out the main chassis components from your cardboard, following your chosen templates precisely. Then, assemble these pieces to form the car's basic frame. Make sure every joint is firm and secure. Don't forget to add extra layers of cardboard to reinforce any areas that will bear more weight or stress. This ensures your Aventador is sturdy.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to give your Lamborghini its distinctive look by adding the body panels. Take your time cutting each panel, especially those intricate curves that define the Aventador's sleek design. Attach these panels to your chassis, working section by section to maintain accuracy. A hot glue gun is fantastic for this step, providing quick and strong bonds. Soon, your car will really start to take shape. With the main body complete, let's focus on the finer details that bring your Aventador to life. Carefully add elements like the headlights, taillights, and air vents. These small additions make a huge difference. Next, use sandpaper or a craft file to smooth out any rough edges, giving your model a professional, polished appearance. Finally, consider painting your creation to achieve that truly realistic supercar finish. You're almost there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.